name's Nikki. I am 27 years old and I'm from New Jersey. Instasmile wanted me to do a review for their clip-on veneers, and I was happy to do so. So since I've been probably in my teens, I noticed that it's been a lot harder to see my teeth when I smile, as you can see. My lip just covers them really, really bad. And in pictures, I never, I started to really feel not confident anymore in smiling with my teeth, even in my wedding photos and my baby shower. I just wasn't happy with how the pictures were turning out. So I looked into all these different options, like, real veneers, but they were so expensive, and there was clip-on smiles and all this stuff, and it just didn't work. And then I saw Instasmile and I was like, you know what? I'm going to try it. So I ordered it. The impressions took a little while, but I finally got it with that fantastic video conference. And my smile came in a couple weeks ago and I absolutely love it. And now I feel confident again in the way I smile. And as you can see, they're big and beautiful and in white, and I feel like my old self again. I'm never gonna have a huge, big toothy smile, but at least now I feel more confident. You can see my teeth. They're so big and beautiful and white. I can do whatever I want to do and feel like when I smile, I can take over the world. So thank you, Instasmile. I really, really appreciate you guys helping me feel more confident and being able to continue my life with a smile. So thanks.